Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming system requirements and making a quick backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Home screen to access App Library options. Make sure your iPad is unlocked and on Wi-Fi for updates. You don't need to tinker with home screen pages yet. First, change the home screen behavior toggle and understand that the goal is to stop new apps from appearing in the app library directly. Now change how new apps are handled. Turn off Add to Home screen so apps land in the app library only, which reduces clutter on pages. Then, manually move visible icons into folders or to later pages to push the app library out of sight. Once you've relocated apps, use Pinch to edit the home screen to hide pages. Make sure to test by downloading a small free app so you can see where it appears and adjust settings if it still surfaces. Finish by hiding entire pages. Enter Edit Home screen, tap the page dots, and uncheck pages you want hidden so the app library feels removed. Once done, restart your iPad to lock in changes. If pages reappear, update iPad OS or reset home screen layout and repeat. If you still see the app library unexpectedly, restore your recent backup or contact Apple support. This sequence ensures both quick hiding and a clear recovery path should something go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.